Hey everybody, welcome to my fall introduction of my channel. My name is Kel and welcome to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Y'all, as y'all probably been watching since May, my husband bought me a fabulous, beautiful new house. And I have slowly been going through and working through each room. Mainly the garage because that's where all my fabulous YouTube items were, placed in. So even though the garage declutter and organization video has, went to a halt because of the weather, I cannot breathe out there. It's just super, super hot. I am going to pick up the garage series sometime this fall after, the weather cools down. But I'm super excited to tell y'all that I am starting my new bathroom renovations. Yes, it will begin the first Wednesday in September at 7 o'clock p.m. Now, I already have at least 10 videos that's going to take us all the way into October and probably the beginning of November. Yes, that's how long it has taken me to create such a fabulous place where I can come in and sit. And I'm actually doing my video right now in my fabulous new bathroom, and I cannot wait for y'all to see the end results. And I did all the work myself. So I hope that this is something that you guys would like over here at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. That is my new series. Of course, I will be putting up some fall DIYs, doing front porch DIYs, my fireplace mantle, and we're going to be moving into my dining room with the bathroom series. I don't know what day that's going to be yet, but I am working in my dining room, and as you've seen on my fabulous Gold Rush birthday celebration, you got a little glimpse of what my dining room is turning into. And then after we get done with the dining room, the bathroom is already done. I am going to be going into the front room, getting out that old furniture, ordering new furniture, and getting that set up. And it's not going to be all the glitz and the glam because my husband and I, we are front room type of people. We like to lounge and sit back. Over the years, I've had beautiful, living room. But I think this time around, when we get started in the living room, it's just going to be a TV area. I have grandchildren now, they have sticky fingers, something where they can jump up on, and I don't have to worry about, things breaking. So we'll be working most likely in the front room, probably the later part of November, going into December, probably with a reveal Christmas. So I, again, hope this is something that you are going to enjoy and like. Please make sure to let your friends know about me, Kel, over here at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. And I will see y'all during the rest of this year, this fall in 2021. Y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye. So, hey, y'all, right after this premiere, I will have a poll up, and please go over and help me decide which piece of furniture I should purchase. A is the reclining love seat. B is like the jitsu massage therapy recliners. And then C is just a basic regular love seat in the cream color. So once I get all the results from the poll, the reveal, you'll see the process of my living room coming together, and then we'll have the reveal party. And I may have a giveaway if someone picks the right furniture. Now keep in mind, I have not ordered anything yet. So I'm hoping that I can get some types of response and to help your girl out. Bye-bye.